Hi, students, and welcome to week 7 in your online general psychology class. This week we will cover chapter 5, which is on states of consciousness. So, in this chapter, we will explore not only the extremities of consciousness from full consciousness to complete unconsciousness, but all the altered states of consciousness in between. So that will cover sleep, that will cover being under anesthesia, drug-induced states. So it's a very interesting chapter that covers quite a bit of topics that are generally of interest to students, especially the sleep and the dreaming aspects. So let's take a look at this week's module. You have your PowerPoint right here. You have several different assignments in Connect this week. You have one on drugs interactivity, one on the stages of sleep, one on understanding how daylight savings time actually affects our circadian rhythm, ultimately affecting our health. What do dreams mean? So the meaning of dreams. So 1, 2, 3, 4 Connect assignments, and then your chapter 5 post quiz. There's no discussion question for this week or any other assignment that lies outside of Connect. All of them are in Connect this week. I hope you have a wonderful week. Happy October, and please reach out if you have any questions. Take care, everyone.